Hi guys! Today I'm talking about Jade Roller. I recently got this and I've been using it every single night because it feels so good. Let me talk about what this is first. If you've never seen a Jade Roller, this is what it looks like. It's a facial massage tool, a roller made of jade. So, it's from China and Chinese people love jade. They like it for jewelry. You'll see like jade bracelets, necklaces, rings, earrings. And then they also love jade for massage. So you'll see like a tiny slate of jade, and that's for gua sha, which is for, you know, blood circulation massage. It just helps with overall health of the body. And then you also have this that helps with anti-aging of the face. What this is meant for, they really emphasize that this will help with anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, blood circulation, depuffing of the face, and just a general massage tool that feels nice on the skin. So, what people are saying about this has been the craze the last couple of months. People are loving how it makes them feel, it makes the skin look. They claim that their skin is glowier because it helps with blood circulation. If your blood circulation is good, it will show through the skin. Here's the thing. When I use this, I just know that it feels really good. It's like a cooling effect, and just like the fact that it just rolls on your skin is like a nice massage feel, you know? Whether it works as an anti-aging tool, I can't say. Because how do I know, right? I'm still using it right now. It's not like I can just skip to the future and see what I'll look like with or without using it. And here's the thing. Like, even though I have a skincare channel, I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I don't know if a lot of those anti-aging products work, you know? There are products that I know for sure works because I can see the effect of it on my skin. Chemical exfoliants, I really, really recommend. I love in my skincare routine because I can see that it works. It makes my skin glowier, it makes it soft, it really exfoliates for me. Cleansers obviously cleanses really well, so that works. And moisturizers, it helps moisturize and hydrate my skin right away, and it keeps, you know, my skin barrier healthy. But there are products that you use, but you're not quite sure if it'll work, but you're using it because you feel like you should use it, you feel like you should do your part to help yourself age gracefully. And those are anti-aging serums, anti-aging essences and peels, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm just completely honest with you guys that I don't know if this really helps with anti-aging. But what I like to use it for, it massages my face, it helps with any puffiness. So everyone wakes up with a puffier face, and how puffy depends on what you ate the night before. If you had a high intake of sodium, your face tends to be puffier. If you had a lot of water right before bedtime, you'll find that your face or the under eye area tends to be puffier. So this is a great tool for sort of reducing that puffiness. You can pop this in the fridge the night before and use it in the morning. It feels so good. And if you forgot to if you forgot to put the roller in the fridge, you can just run this under cold water for about 30 seconds and it'll be like nice and cool. And you can just run it on the skin. So how I like to use this? I like to start with the neck. So I'll just like roll up, and always roll up to fight gravity. So don't go like this and go boop, 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 because you don't want to drag it back down. So just go up, upwards, up, upwards. And I like to do one side first and then the other. And then I like to move on to the face area. So starting from the chin, the center here, and I just like to roll outwards and upwards, like so. And you can just take your time. You can apply a little bit more pressure, but not too hard. And then I like to run this up my temple. Again, always go against gravity. And the forehead area. After I do one side, I'll go ahead and do the other side. There's a smaller jade roller on the other end. This is for the under eye area because it is, smaller, so you can really get in there and massage this part. But because the under eye area is much more delicate, do use a lighter hand. Don't put too much pressure on it. Again, what I love to use this for, it helps with dark circles and puffiness. If you tend to have dark circles and you get puffier eyes, this is a really, really great massage tool for that. And then you just roll outwards towards the temple. Again, don't go like this and then roll it back. Just go one direction. Okay? And then you can also massage the upper lid area. I wouldn't go too close to the lash line, but rather just around the eyebrows. Start from here and then roll outwards, following your brow bone. And yeah, I personally really like this. So if you're like, should I buy this or not? If you have $15 to spend, yeah, go ahead and try it out because it feels really, really good. And it does help with depuffing. It does help with blood circulation. Again, does it help with anti-aging? I can't say. Does it help with wrinkles? I don't believe that a jade roller itself will erase wrinkles. That's just the truth. But in terms of, does it help with slowing down the process of aging and slowing down the formation of wrinkles and things like that? Maybe. Who knows? But I say for a $15 jade roller, it's worth it for, the things that it can do for you. I would definitely check it out. I personally use this every day. And if this breaks, I will definitely repurchase. And so far, this one that I got is pretty well made. It feels sturdy. It doesn't feel like it's going to break that easily. There's so many online right now. Some break easier than others. So I guess you should check it out. I'll link, where I got it from down below so you guys can try it out if you like. And yeah, just wanted to, make a video all about this. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this jade roller video. Let me know if you've tried a jade roller and what you thought of it. Leave me a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I'll see you very soon in my next one. Bye.